Welcome to Artificial Intelligence. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela, and today's video is going to be super fun because I bought an artificial intelligence robot to explain basics about artificial intelligence for beginners. This is Miko 3. It is an artificial intelligence powered education robot. A point to be noted here that most of the people get confused between a robot and an artificial intelligence robot. Robots don't have intelligence, but artificial intelligence robots will get intelligence. Artificial intelligence robots can think by its own. For example, I'm going to talk to this robot. Hi Miko. What's my name?
Krishna.
See, this Miko robot told my name because I already told about my name. That's why Miko robot saved my name, and whenever I ask the name, this feet robot will reply. But the big question here is how this Miko robot able to learn? It is able to learn through artificial intelligence algorithms, and one of the subdomains in artificial intelligence is voice recognition. Miko robot able to communicate with me through voice recognition. By this, you came to know that artificial intelligence means making intelligent machines or intelligent softwares using algorithms. And Miko is one of the AI robots. But in general, there are robots with hands and legs too. Those are actually big robots, and this Miko is a small and cute educational robot. And it is meant for kids. And so far we learn about artificial intelligence and what is voice recognition. Now let's hear about artificial intelligence from Miko. Hi Miko. What is artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence is intelligence exhibited by machines. In computer science, an ideal intelligent machine is a flexible rational agent that perceives its environment and takes actions that maximize its chance of success at some goal.
See, that's what Miko also told. Artificial intelligence means making intelligent robots or intelligent softwares. Now what else this artificial intelligence enabled robots can do? These AI robots can exhibit emotions. For example, I'm going to ask this robot to smile. Hi Miko. Smile. Hi. And now anger. See, this Miko robot able to understand my instructions, and it displays the emotions as well. And it is possible with artificial intelligence algorithms and programming. So far we learn about voice recognition in artificial intelligence. Now the second subdomain in artificial intelligence is autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles means vehicles are able to drive by their own, no need of a driver. This Miko robot is capable of autonomous technology too. So let's see Miko's autonomous technology. Clearly watch the video, Miko didn't touch anything because it is able to detect the environment through cameras and sensors. As Miko is able to detect, see, it's Miko's name, that's why it is reacting to it.
I think I would need more food before I can answer that.
So I shouldn't call the name. Now to detect the environment, these robots needs cameras. From the cameras, they capture the data, and the data is being processed by computers. That's why in artificial intelligence there is one more subdomain called computer vision. Computer vision is like vision for robots. Just like our humans, we have eyes. These robots have computer vision to process and analyze the data which is been captured through images and videos. For computer vision, drones are the best example. Drones are able to capture the data, especially the agricultural lands data, to detect the healthy crops. So these are the two more subdomains: autonomous vehicle technology and computer vision. Computer vision is a subpart of autonomous vehicle technology. And here comes the final subdomain in artificial intelligence. It is facial recognition. If you see countries like China is using facial recognition technology, especially for surveillance of their people. They are using huge amount of cameras installed. So all the data is been captured with facial recognition. Again, facial recognition is also one of the part of artificial intelligence. For example, this robot having a camera. So this camera is able to detect faces as well. For that facial recognition, the software is programmed to detect facial features such as eyes, lips, and face shape. By all these indications, these robots are able to detect faces. So that's all about the three main subdomains in artificial intelligence: voice recognition, autonomous vehicles, and facial recognition. In the coming videos, I will come up with some more interesting videos about artificial intelligence. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to AI English. For facts videos, please do subscribe to MVS Facts English.